Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Akingbola Ezekiel. Today we are going to be continuing from where we stopped from the last training. Remember I mentioned to you that there are three major types of training: business name registration, company registration, and incorporated trustee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to register your business name using your phone. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that, and make sure you watch the last video to enable you proceed with us in this video. Thank you. Without further ado, let's move on to the next training. Thank you.
Welcome to this training today. Like I said, I believe you watched the last video. Today we're going to be looking at how to make name reservation for your business. Name reservation for your business. So it's going to be one step at a time. All right, now, so you are going to go use your Google Chrome. If you don't have a Google Chrome browser, I would advise you to go download it from Play Store. Open your Google Chrome browser. So remember that you are going to search for the name. I want to search the name of the business we've decided to register on Google. So we want to search for peculiar store, or peculiar business, or peculiar enterprise, or peculiar clothing. You understand? So now I want to have peculiar clothing. And you can see that from our search, from the different search we are making, you're going to notice that you can see businesses with that same name, um, peculiar clothings, also showing up in our search. But that doesn't mean that those businesses are already registered in Nigeria or not. Since we've been able to search for the names, at least it will give you it will help reduce your stress of searching. So if you see a name registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, but the name is already is the same name with what you want to use. So in order not to waste your money, don't bother. So we're going to go to the CSC website now. We're going to be going to service.csc.gov.ng/login, service.csc.gov.ng. So in that website, that's where we're going to be starting with the name reservation. Do you understand? So that's where we're going to be reserving the name of the business, the peculiar clothing we want to register now. So that's what we're going to be doing there. All right, but then you see I clicked on the CSC logo up there, and it brought me to this page. Now in this page here, what I want to do is the public search. Now you can see that the public search option is not actually activated. Public search option is not activated, so it's going to, for now, I think the CSC, they are yet to activate that portion. So instead of that, we're going to be trying to reserve the name of the business. We're going to be reserving the name of the business we want to register. So what you do is that you go and register. You can see register option there. And what you are going to do is very simple. You click on the register there. And once you click on it, it will bring you to a page where you'll be able to fill the form and create a CRP login page. You can see that your name, your surname, your date of birth, your address, your email address, phone number, nationality, and the rest of it. Also, you fill it all appropriately. You put your address, and there are some tricks here. There was a business I registered once at a time that I didn't come out up till now. Why? Because of a simple mistake there. You understand? So I'll reserve that for now. But please take note, fill all your details appropriately. Fill all your details appropriately. So when you fill all your details, then you click on register. I've already registered another account, so I'll prefer to log into that particular account. So in logging into that account, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in the username and the password there. Then I'll log in. Now I'm in the account. So what we're going to do here now is to create opt in for a name reservation. That peculiar clothing, I hope you remember that. So I want to reserve the name peculiar clothing. But meanwhile, I have a business, a name I was trying to reserve. Let's check it out and see what's there before we come back to make our name reservation. So you can see that not submitted. That means I've not made payment for that particular business name yet. Okay, so I believe you are getting it. All right, now after going through all this process, so checking the name that has been reserved, So the first thing, we are going back now. Going back, we'll click on new reservation. When you, okay, that this is the reservation I made before now. I made this reservation before now, but I am not going to proceed with this. I think it's better to this one for a client that have not paid. You can see the different details of the name I want to reserve. So let's go back and see if we can make a new reservation for this business we are looking into. All right. So new reservation. So the first thing you do, you fill this form. You put two options of your business name. The two options you are putting here is very important. You can see the first option, the first place you click business name. Second one will show the business type. You can see what's in this video. So now when typing the business option, make sure that you put two different options, and you put in the first option to be your best option, your most preferred option. Then you click on save and continue. So once you click on that, then it takes you to another option. Here you are choosing new incorporation. All right, then here you choose the business specifics, what you do exactly, something related. So there are hundreds of options there, and there you can type in the details of what you do exactly. So we sell clothes and all and whatever it is. Then click on save and continue. So in this particular page now, what you are going to do here is very simple. You're just going to pick in a form of a means of identification: international passport, national ID card, driving license, etc. So you pick anyone there. So once you pick it, you look for, there's a number always attached to any means of identification. So you put in that number there, whatever the number is. I've used a particular number for this one. So whatever the number is, you can use 1 2 3 4, whatever it is. Once you insert it, then you click on save and continue. I believe we are getting that. So very easy. So once you insert the number, you click on save and continue. Once you get to the next page, since you've created your account, you will see that the whole thing is complete. So the next thing is you verify these details if they are complete. If it is complete and well filled, then you can proceed to payment. Then you pay using remitter. I believe you get it. But if the payment is not, if the detail are not it's not possible, then you come back and click to edit. So I think that's all for today. Thank you, and I'd love to see you in the next video on how to register.